Hello again, students. Since this upcoming Monday is Valentine's Day, I decided to take a trip to colonial times. When you think of writing a letter, what kind of images come to mind? Stuffing a paper inside an envelope whose flap is sealed with some kind of glue? Addresses and postages neatly affixed in designated places? That's what most of us think. That's what we grew up doing. However, in colonial times, people did something quite different. You see, back then, paper was super expensive, and people didn't want to waste precious money on frivolous things such as envelopes. No, the letter itself was the envelope. For this project, you will need some copy paper, a pencil, a ruler, some rubber cement or a glue stick, and an ink stamp. You may also use a popsicle stick, colored pencils, and a sealing wax kit instead of the ink stamp kit. To begin, write your Valentine's letter. It can be as simplistic or flowery as you want the letter to be. Also, remember, there are many kinds of love. Romantic love, familial love, and platonic love. This letter can be addressed to anyone you want. The next part can be somewhat difficult, folding it into an envelope. If you need a visual guideline, feel free to use a ruler and a light-colored pencil to create some folding lines. Flip the letter over and draw two vertical lines about 2 inches from the left and right sides of the paper, followed by a horizontal line about 3 inches from the bottom. Flip the paper over again and carefully fold the left and right sides inward. Be very careful to fold as straight as you can. Once you've done that, then fold the bottom up and again, then again. If you struggle with any of the folds, particularly if the paper won't fold properly, then use a popsicle stick to straighten the fold for you. And now for the hardest part. Carefully place this fold inside that fold. This is difficult, so there is no shame in asking for help. Be very careful and be very gentle. This is the part where people are most likely to tear their letters. Once the letter is neatly folded into itself, traditionally comes the wax seal. In this case, go ahead and put a dot of rubber cement underneath this fold, then stamp the letter shut. Last but not least, flip the letter over, then write your recipient's name like you would on a modern letter. This cannot be sent in the mail, but it can be hand-delivered. Have fun with this Valentine's Day project!